Welcome! Today, we're going to walk through a simple and quick way to rename a text file using the Dropbox mobile app. Whether you're tidying up your files or just want to keep things organized, renaming a file is a handy skill to have right on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. You'll notice the main screen where your files and folders live. Right at the bottom, there's a row of tabs. Tap on the one labeled Files. This is where all your saved documents are stored, including your text files. Next, scroll through your list of files until you find the text file you want to rename. Once you spot it, look to the right side and tap the three dots icon. This will open a menu with different options related to that file. In the menu, find and tap on Rename. This action will bring up a text box where you can enter the new name for your file. Take a moment to type in the new name, making sure it's clear and easy to recognize later. After you've entered the new name, confirm the change by tapping the Save or Confirm button. Dropbox will quickly update the file name, and you'll see the new name reflected right away in your list. And that's it! Renaming a text file on the Dropbox mobile app is straightforward and only takes a few steps. This feature is excellent for keeping your files organized, especially if you work on multiple projects or collaborate with others. Remember, having well-named files can save you time searching later, and it helps keep your work neat. So whenever you need to rename a file, just open Dropbox, tap Files, select the text file, tap the three dots, choose Rename, type your new name, and save. Thanks for watching.